Is winter giving you dry, itchy skin? I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and I'm going to share with you a natural way to take care of our skin. Today we're going to be making calming and relaxing body butter. For this recipe, you'll need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a teaspoon of almond oil, Ravensara essential oil, Bergamot essential oil, and a small jar to store your body butter in. To start, I'm going to be adding my almond oil to my coconut oil. I'm using almond oil because it's great for skin, it's really nourishing, and it helps heal it during the dry winter months. Next, I'm going to add 2 drops of Ravensara essential oil. This essential oil is really calming and it helps push negative thoughts away if you're having the wintertime blues. Now I'm going to add 6 drops of bergamot. This has a very uplifting scent. It smells really good, and it's great for balancing your skin. Once I have all my ingredients together, I am going to use a hand mixer to blend them until they become fluffy and about doubles in size. Make sure you're mixing your body butter at a high speed, and it'll probably take 5 to 7 minutes for it to reach this consistency. Once you've got this light and airy texture, you'll store it in a small jar. And don't forget to label it. Don't forget that to make this awesome recipe, you can get everything you need in this month's recipe box, including the labels. Once you have it labeled, it's ready to go. A little bit goes a long way with this body butter. So subscribe today to get everything you need to make this body butter for healthy and nourished skin naturally.